Wireframing is the digital blueprint of design, crucial for planning interfaces. Low-fidelity wireframes focus on structure over detail, allowing rapid iteration. Sketching is an essential skill, enabling designers to visualize ideas quickly and efficiently before committing to detailed designs. This approach saves time and resources, ensuring a solid foundation for further development. Low-fidelity wireframing is crucial for early-stage design. It involves sketching basic layouts to visualize ideas quickly. This approach allows designers to focus on user experience and functionality without getting bogged down by details. Techniques like paper prototyping and rapid sketching are effective for brainstorming and iterating concepts efficiently. A wireframe is a low-fidelity visual guide, akin to an architectural blueprint for digital interfaces. It outlines structure, layout, and functionality, focusing on user experience and information architecture. By omitting colors and images, wireframes allow teams to refine the interface's skeletal framework before advancing to detailed designs. Wireframes are the essential foundation for digital products, akin to blueprints in architecture. They allow designers to identify and resolve navigation issues early, saving time and preventing costly mistakes. By addressing potential problems before coding, wireframes ensure a smoother, more efficient development process. Wireframing is crucial in digital marketing for cost efficiency, clear communication, user-focused design, and faster iteration. It saves thousands by catching design flaws early, provides a shared visual language, prioritizes user needs, and allows rapid testing of multiple layout concepts, ensuring effective and efficient design processes. Low-fidelity wireframes are quick sketches or simple digital layouts using basic shapes and placeholder text, focusing on layout and functionality. High-fidelity designs, however, are polished with brand colors, real images, and interactive elements. Start with low fidelity to establish structure, then move to high fidelity after stakeholder approval for detailed design work. Paper prototyping involves sketching interface designs on paper or a whiteboard. Its strength lies in speed and accessibility, requiring no software or logins. Changes occur instantly, fostering creativity and experimentation. This method reduces fear of mistakes, allowing for rapid iteration and exploration in early design stages. Starting with pen and paper offers a zero learning curve, enabling immediate design exploration. It encourages collaboration, turning team members into co-designers. Rapid iteration is possible, testing multiple concepts swiftly. The simplicity of paper forces focus on content hierarchy, user flow, and functionality, without distractions from colors or effects. Essential wireframe elements include core components like headers for logo and navigation, content blocks for text, images, or videos, and buttons for calls to action. Forms consist of input fields and submission buttons, while footers provide secondary navigation. Use simple shapes and clear labels to ensure stakeholders understand each element's purpose. Wireframes use symbols to represent elements. Images are boxes with an X. Text is shown as horizontal lines or placeholder text. And videos are rectangles with a play button. Call to action buttons are rounded rectangles with labels. Navigation is a horizontal bar with menu items, while form fields are rectangles labeled for input purposes. Balsamiq Wireframes excels in low-fidelity digital prototyping, emphasizing structure over design details. Its sketchy aesthetic indicates designs are exploratory, preventing premature critiques. The drag-and-drop interface with pre-built user interface components simplifies creation. Cloud-based sharing and commenting enhance collaboration, making it ideal for iterative design processes. Balsamiq's intuitive interface allows beginners to create wireframes quickly, with a learning curve of just minutes. Pre-built components and keyboard shortcuts enable rapid design, making a basic 3-page website wireframe possible in 15 to 20 minutes. Its collaboration features allow team members to comment directly on elements, ensuring organized and actionable feedback. Balsamiq Wireframes excels in low-fidelity sketching with its hand-drawn aesthetics, priced at $9 Figma offers collaborative design, from wireframes to high-fidelity mock-ups, free for individuals. Adobe XD integrates seamlessly with Creative Cloud, transitioning wireframes to interactive prototypes at $9.99 a month. Each tool caters to different design needs, enhancing the wireframing process. Start by defining clear objectives. What user problem does this page solve? Sketch 3 to 5 layout concepts on paper, exploring alternatives. Transfer the best sketch to a digital tool like Balsamiq, adding annotations for functionality. Share with stakeholders, asking specific questions. Incorporate feedback, iterating until the structure effectively solves the user problem. Effective wireframing begins with a content-first strategy. Identify key content elements like headlines, images, and calls to action. Prioritize them based on user and business goals. Arrange these elements spatially only after understanding their importance. This approach ensures the layout supports the message, revealing true spacing needs and usability issues that placeholder text might hide. An e-commerce homepage wireframe highlights key elements: a prominent search bar in the header, a hero image with seasonal promotions, product category navigation, a featured products grid, customer testimonials, and a newsletter sign-up in the footer. Prioritizing search and navigation ensures users can quickly find products, while the hero image enhances visual appeal without overshadowing functionality. This software-as-a-service landing page wireframe exemplifies conversion-focused design. It features a clear value proposition headline, a 3-column benefit breakdown, and social proof with customer logos. The call to action button is strategically placed in the hero section and footer. Visual hierarchy is key, with the headline as the largest element, and benefits are icon-driven for easy scanning. Avoid adding visual design elements too early in wireframing. It distracts and wastes time. Use real content instead of placeholder text to uncover layout issues. Wireframe multiple pages to map user flows and catch navigation problems. Conduct user testing with paper prototypes to validate assumptions before coding. Mobile-first wireframing emphasizes essential content due to limited screen width, vertical scrolling, and touch-friendly elements. This approach ensures a user-focused design. Once mobile essentials are set, expand to desktop with multi-column layouts and horizontal navigation, utilizing more screen space for secondary content. This method often results in cleaner, more effective designs. The Napkin Wireframe Challenge is a rapid exercise to sketch a coffee shop homepage. In 5 minutes, include a logo, hero image with a headline, menu preview, location and hours, and a contact form. This simulates real-world constraints, pushing designers to quickly visualize concepts without overthinking. Use simple shapes and labels to convey ideas efficiently. Start with a header featuring the coffee shop logo and navigation menu. Include a hero image area with a headline and call to action button. Add a menu preview with popular items, descriptions, and prices. Clearly display location, hours, and a map. Finish with a minimal contact form for user inquiries. Ensure the most crucial information is immediately visible. Users should easily find the menu, location, or contact info. The visual hierarchy must guide the eye naturally. Clickable elements should stand out from static content. Test usability by showing your wireframe to someone unfamiliar with the project for fresh insights. Wireframes establish structure and layout in grayscale, forming the project's foundation. Mockups introduce visual elements like colors and typography. Prototypes simulate user interactions, linking pages for a realistic experience. Finally, development integrates code and back-end functionality. Skipping solid wireframes for high-fidelity designs risks costly revisions, emphasizing the importance of thorough wireframing. Wireframes are crucial for saving time and money by identifying issues early before coding begins. Start with low-fidelity designs to encourage feedback and experimentation. Content strategy should guide layout decisions, ensuring effective communication. Test wireframes early and often with users to validate solutions and prevent costly design errors. Practice paper wireframing by sketching layouts for familiar websites, identifying strengths and areas for improvement. Use Balsamiq's free trial to create digital wireframes for a coffee shop homepage, menu, and contact page. Study real-world examples on Awards or Behance to understand underlying wireframes. Build a portfolio showcasing both wireframes and finished designs, highlighting strategic thinking.